Class 6, Maths, Chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Animated Math, Introduction. In the previous chapter, we have learnt about various geometrical shapes. We found that they are of different sizes. Let us now learn how to measure them. Measuring line segment. The length of the line segment can be measured accurately with help of a graduated ruler and a divider. Activity 1. Consider the line segment given below. It can be measured with the help of a ruler and a divider in this way. First, place the divider on the line segment such that one point of the divider lies on the first end point of the line segment, and then stretch the divider so that it touches the second end point. Now, without disturbing the measurement of the divider, hold the divider in such a way that one of its pointer is on 0, and then measure the length. So what is the length? Yes, it is 5.5 centimeters accurately. Angles right and straight. An angle is formed when two rays meet in a common endpoint. Now, some general knowledge. See the diagram below. What is it? Correct. It is a diagram showing directions. Suppose you stand facing the north direction. Now, turn in the clockwise direction till you reach the east. This turn which you have taken from north to east is a right angle. In the similar way, turn to south. This turn which you have made from north to south is a straight angle. Now, again you turn from south to north in the same way. From north to east to south to west and again to the north. Great! You have made a complete angle. When you learn the subheadings, you will understand more accurately about these angles. Angles: acute, obtuse, and reflex. There are some other angles which are different from the three angles which we have learnt above. Acute angle. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. Examples of acute angles are seesaw, rooftop, opening book, etc. Obtuse angle. An angle larger than a right angle but smaller than a straight angle is called an obtuse angle. Examples of obtuse angle are easy chair, a widely open laptop, etc. Reflex angle. An angle which is greater than a straight angle but less than a complete angle is called a reflex angle. Examples of reflex angle are shown below. Measuring angles. Angles are measured in degrees. Protractor can measure an angle accurately. Let us learn how. Let ABC be the angle which we need to measure. Place the protractor so that the midpoint of its straight line lies on the vertex B of the angle. Adjust the protractor so that BC is along the straight edge of the protractor. There are two scales on the protractor. Read the scale which has the 0 mark coinciding with the straight edge, that is, with ray BC. The mark shown by BA on the curved edge gives the degree measure of the angle. Now, we measured that ABC is equal to 40 degrees. Perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect and the angle formed between them is a right angle, then we can say that the lines are perpendicular to each other. Example: AB is perpendicular to CD. If a line is perpendicular to a given line and also divides it in two equal parts, then it is called the perpendicular bisector of the given line. Example: line L bisects line segment AB perpendicularly in M. Classification of triangles. Triangles are classified based on the angles as follows. Acute angle triangle. If each angle of the triangle is less than 90 degrees, then it is called an acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. If each angle of the triangle is more than 90 degrees, then it is called an obtuse angle triangle. Right angle triangle. If any one angle of the triangle is 90 degrees, then it is called right angle triangle. Triangles are classified based on the sides as follows. Scalene triangle. If all the sides are different in measure, then the triangle is called a scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is called an isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle. If all sides are equal in length, then it is called an equilateral triangle. Quadrilaterals. Any quadrilateral is a polygon if it has 4 sides. There are different quadrilaterals based on the angles and sides. The properties of these quadrilaterals are summarized in this table. Quadrilateral parallelogram. Opposite sides parallel and equal. All sides are not equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals are neither equal nor perpendicular. Rectangle. Quadrilateral rectangle. Opposite sides parallel and equal. All sides are not equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals are equal but not perpendicular. Square. Quadrilateral square. Opposite sides parallel and equal. All sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals are equal as well as perpendicular. Rhombus. Quadrilateral rhombus. Opposite sides parallel and equal. All sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals are not equal but perpendicular. Quadrilateral trapezium. Opposite sides neither parallel nor equal. All sides are not equal. Opposite angles are not equal and the diagonals are neither equal nor perpendicular. Polygons. Polygons are classified based on the number of sides in it. The table below will tell us how. Number of sides: 3. Triangle. 4. Quadrilateral. 5. Pentagon. 6. Hexagon. And 8. Octagon. 3-dimensional shapes. We see many shapes around us. Some of them are round and some have corners. Such shapes are called as 3-dimensional shapes. Some examples of these shapes are shown below. Some of these shapes have flat surfaces. For example, if we consider a cube, flat surfaces of the cube are known as faces. 2 such faces meet at a line segment called edges. 3 edges meet at a point called vertex. The cylinder, cone, and sphere have no straight edges. Let us study the table below. It will tell us more about the faces, edges, and vertices.